Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how to integrate IKEA Home Smart, also known as IKEA TRÅDFRI, with the popular free and open source software Home Assistant. TRÅDFRI is a range of IKEA devices for smart home automation. They offer primarily lightning bulbs, however you can find some switches and a lot of remote controls. Over the time they will add new devices. All these devices communicate over the zigbee protocol. The required hardware is a single board computer such as Raspberry Pi on which you have already installed the free and open source software Home Assistant. You also need an IKEA TRÅDFRI device, a remote control, and the most important part is the IKEA TRÅDFRI Zigbee to Ethernet gateway. I have already successfully set up Home Assistant on my Raspberry Pi 3B. I have downloaded an appropriate image for this platform, flashed it on a micro SD card, booted it, and completed the Home Assistant installation. It is also important to have already installed and set up the IKEA Home Smart application on your smartphone and to have already connected all IKEA TRÅDFRI devices to it. This application is available for Android and iOS. After covering all these requirements, the integration of IKEA TRÅDFRI in Home Assistant takes just 3 easy steps. Step number 1. On the back of the IKEA gateway, locate the security code and write it down. Step number 2. Identify the IP address of the IKEA gateway in your local area network. The easiest way is to find this information in your Wi-Fi router settings. Proceed to step number 3. Launch a web browser and load the web interface of Home Assistant. Select Configuration. After that, select Integration. Type in IKEA to navigate to the integration for IKEA TRÅDFRI. Enter security code and IP address that you have obtained on the previous steps. All IKEA TRÅDFRI devices will be automatically discovered. Configure rooms and zones for each device. When you're ready, hit Finish. Now it's time for a quick demonstration. On my desk I have my laptop with the loaded Home Assistant web interface and a desk lamp with a IKEA TRÅDFRI lightning bulb. As you can see, I can easily turn on and off the lightning bulb from the interface of Home Assistant. Of course, the major benefit of using Home Assistant is to make complex automations and to integrate all these devices with the rest of the smart devices in your home. By the way, if you're interested in controlling with Home Assistant 12 or 5 volt addressable or non-addressable LED strips, have a look at my other videos about Anavi Miracle Controller and Anavi Light Controller. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos about open source software and hardware. Thank you.